Menteri Rangba Khuborjylla kondat ke Sangma mentakasngi ulapli padba ya ke projek solar basan 4 kilowatt Hasin Mary's High Secondary School Shillong kabala penteri Lyngba ka Chief Minister Solar Mission. Kani kesen jam kalong ban plilat ya kani ke jaka pule bakan jam hakajing pendan kam ya ke boarding ka bam lutshu ne ka renewable energy bat karoi kapa kabane hapo Khuborjylla. Ya ke projek la penteri da ke Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency bat kadai ka way na kijing pendat ya ki core solar ki ba hedo hakaja ka puli ha Meghalaya. Kani ka core ka ba sanpau kilowatt ka ba shongdor ka ba sanpau lak tengka ka doni ki bateri ban kershan bat lakmi lenti bakan senyang shikat day syaka jingla pendap ya ka jingdan kam boarding jaka Skul Lyngba ka boarding ka ba khuj bat ka ba mlutshu. Habakran haka jingyalang Menteri Rangba ula penpau ya ka jingkong san ka boarding ka bamlut shu haba pendan kam haka jingya khun ya ka jingkela ka sun beneng bat penti kena ya ka lawai ka badap ka babiang na ka benta ka Meghalaya.
Commissioner Secretary cum Director Minreda with a memento and a bouquet of flowers.
It's an honor and privilege that we got the opportunity as a power department to install this 50 kilowatt solar power plant. Now you must have read a lot about renewable energy, so you are seeing firsthand the kind of implementation that we will be doing or we have done. You have heard in the news repeatedly about the West Asia crisis, about the Strait of Hormuz and the cascading effects that is happening on the economy on several nations across the world. And you would realize time and again the emphasis that has been given by the central government and also the state government on renewable energy. As a part of that initiative and emphasis, our Honorable Chief Minister also envisioned that renewable energy is the answer for the future. And for that reason, we are today seeing the light of the day that a 50 kilowatt, one of the largest solar power plants, have been installed in St. Mary's.
Bayok kena ka solar menta kita kamen mende mariwan di on ya ka jadi sultanat macam kamerakas.
We are very thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister that he is doing for the rural Meghalaya to get all the people, all the household electrification, and some areas are very happy now because we installed CM Solar Mission.
Okay. Just see it also. Oh, okay. I want to Khuborjylla before Jesus. Yeah.
Then it is adjusted with your bill then. Yes. Okay, so then your bill will again go down further by ₹1 or ₹2 for every unit you give to us. Because since we're giving it from our side.
Yes. Full, 100%.
Yes. So since it is fully, we have one good example.
Thank you.
So we'll do that.
Investment was very reasonable, sir.
Yeah.
With that.
So we'll do that. We'll do that. We'll make sure that the whole college and the whole high secondary is completely on solar. That'll be a really great achievement. Okay.
This is the nerve center.
Right. So this is the project for the CM solar mission. And this is here right here in Shillong in St. Mary's High Secondary School. You can see the batteries out here, the inverter. It's a 50 kilowatt project, and you'll be happy to know that most of the school's power now is coming from here. Almost, you can say almost 90% is coming from here, and we're only using half the capacity. Very soon we are hopeful that not just the highest secondary school but also the college will be completely on solar, and this is the kind of project we'd like to see in all institutes so that we promote green energy. And this is one of the larger projects we've done under CM Solar Mission, but like this about 700 schools have been given units, and close to 1.4 megawatts of power has been installed. So it's a great success, and I wish the school, the management, the very best, and we'll continue to have more and more schools powered by solar energy. Thank you so much. Okay. 1, 2. So I'm at St. Mary's Higher Secondary School with all our students here. We are here to inaugurate the 50 kilowatt solar panel. You guys say hi.